In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Nordvpn account. Whether you're just getting started with Nordvpn or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can access your Nordvpn dashboard with ease. First things first, you need to navigate to the official Nordvpn website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type nordvpn.com into the address bar, then press enter. Once the homepage has loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking the login button will redirect you to the Nord account page. This is where the magic begins. You'll see fields where you can enter your login details to access your account. Start by typing in your email address. This is the email you use to set up your Nordvpn account, so make sure it's the correct one. Once your email is entered, click continue. This will prompt the page to load an additional field for you to fill in your password. Enter your password carefully, making sure there are no typos or mistakes. This step is crucial as the password allows you to access your secure account. After entering your password, find the login button and click it. If everything has been entered correctly, you should be swiftly logged into your Nord account. Voila, you've made it to your Nord account dashboard. Once you are at the dashboard, a world of options becomes available to you. From here you can download NordVPN apps for your various devices, which is highly recommended to ensure you have a secure browsing experience across all your platforms. If you're managing multiple devices, this is particularly useful. Additionally, you can manage your subscription details right from the dashboard. Whether you need to renew, upgrade or examine your billing information, you'll find all those features readily accessible. And because security is paramount, you can also change your password from your dashboard if you feel the need to make your account more secure, or if you simply want to update your credentials as a precaution. That's all there is to it. Logging into your Nordvpn account is a straightforward process that grants you access to a host of useful tools and settings that enhance your privacy and online security. Remember, keeping your login credentials safe is paramount. So try to update your password regularly and use a strong and unique combination of characters. Thank you for watching and safe browsing.